this video, you will see how excited I am embarking in a helicopter for the second time in my life. The first time was in Grand Canyon in Arizona. Well, this is a riverfront experience with gateway helicopter tours. I enjoyed an exciting experience showcasing the fabulous St. Louis riverfront. This tour is short but very exciting. I spent about 2 to 3 minutes in the air and I was with Ethan, our helicopter pilot. We had a great time and I had a fabulous view of St. Louis riverfront.
You made it! He's going on a trip around the country, all 50 states.
I'm here in the Gateway Arch. I'm gonna do now the helicopter tour for $48. A lot cheaper than my helicopter tour in Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon cost me around nearly $500 for the helicopter tour. That's really crazy. But this one is so cheap, $48. That's the helicopter tour. Helicopter ride. Helicopter.
Restroom right over here to the restroom. Right behind her. We've got 4 different options.
Sure.
First one goes from here to the first bridge to the south, over to Illinois, back to the first bridge to the north. It's a real quick, short little loop. It's $48 per person. Second option goes to Anheuser-Busch Brewery, over to Illinois and back. It's $82 per person. Third one continues from the brewery to Tar Row Park and Missouri Botanical Gardens, past Busch Stadium, over to Illinois and back. It's $135 per person. Fourth one continues from Botanical Gardens to Forest Park, City Museum, Lock and Dam and back. It's $195 per person. Push the red button to release them. Here's your card, your ticket, and your receipts. Your emergency exits are your doors. If you would have to, lift up on handles, slide forward, push out on the doors. Other than that, you don't want to hold on to the door handles during the flight. They could come open on you. We're required to put a life vest on. Comes in the yellow fanny pack. In the event you would have to, take the orange tab up and over your head, yank down on the 2 red tabs, and they'll automatically inflate. If for some reason it would not automatically inflate, there's a red tube on either side you can blow into to manually inflate it. Pictures, you can take all the pictures you want once you're in the helicopter. Don't have that going when you're walking out there. On the flight deck, we can't have you taking pictures or videos or anything. If you're on this side of the fence, you can, and in the helicopter, not on the flight deck.
Where do you flight deck?
From the fence to the helicopter.
Gotcha. But before the fence I can.
If you're on this side of the fence, you can take all the pictures you want, and as soon as you're in the helicopter, you can take all the pictures you want. It's just out there with them rotor blades spinning. We need your full attention.
Okay.
So,
yeah. And she's gonna take one picture.
She'll take. What have you been taking? 5 or 6?
Yeah.
She'll get 5 or 6 different shots for you.
Okay. Can I pin my town here? Yeah, but that's Greenville there. Okay. Greenville. waiting for the helicopter.
Oh, you're awesome. Thank you.
Get them all the time.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay.
Yeah,
Thanks
thank
again.
you.
Take care.
Would you like to look at your picture?
When did this start? I was here 6 years ago. Didn't see this. Has this been here? Was this here 6 years ago too?
Yep.
Probably.
I've been here since 2007.
Pictures are right here. You can sit right there. You can slide them down. Yeah, I'll get the rest of them.
Okay. Picture. Two, three, four, five, six. Up six. Up wait. 1, 2, 3, 5. And then he's gonna give me my options.
So I can print 1 for 10, print 2 for 15, or I can email them or email or airdrop them all 2 for 20.
All of them, the 20.
Do you have an iPhone by chance?
Yeah.
So I can
Right
airdrop
here.
them?
Oh yeah.